Have you ever had somebody that said this? Oh, you were wonderful. You were fantastic. You think you got a deal? You think the people love you? You ever had that happen? Happens a lot, right? You don't want these people to hate you on the way out though. So just make sure that they leave with a good experience. You could set appointments live on the showroom floor. Just set an appointment on the showroom floor. Hey, I know you're saying you need to shop around a little bit. I totally understand that. When can you come back here? Tomorrow? Wednesday? What are you thinking? And then just ask them for the appointment, send them a calendar invite right in front of them, and just locks the thing down. If somebody says they're gonna be back, find out when and just treat it like an appointment. Well, that's weird, I don't wanna do that. We call people right now and ask for appointments, right? Just do it when you're in front of them. Have you ever had somebody that said this? Oh, you were wonderful, you were fantastic. I'm not buying a car for 6 months. If there's anything I could ever do for you, just let me know. They have a great experience, they're not buying a car, and they ask you if they could do something for you. You ever had that happen? Happens a lot, right? There's actually something you can do. Can you write me a review? We're trying to be the #1 rated dealer in the city, in the state on Google. Can you write me a review, please? Ask them for reviews. Bad credit people will always leave you a review. I don't know why, they just will. So, totally. You think you got a deal? You think the people love you? And then they hit you with the what? The Terminator line. I'll be what?
I'll be back.
You gotta let people out in a way that makes it okay for them to come back. We wanna ask them to buy, ask them to buy, ask them to buy. You don't want these people to hate you on the way out though. So just make sure that they leave with a good experience. They're not horrible people just because they didn't buy a car today. It's a mistake I would make early on in my career. As soon as I thought somebody wasn't buying, I'd be like, oh, what's the craziest thing I can say to this person? I'd do it out of sport. It's not good. Make them happy.